Kia ora. Today we're going to talk about a sentence structure which can be turned into a game. So the sentence structure is he aha tēnei, and that means what is this? In English we would say what is this, and the reply would usually be that is a, or they might just say something or other. We'll do the full sentence. So if they were doing the full sentence they would say that is a. And if I said what is that, the reply would usually be this is a, because when we're talking about something near to us we say this, and we're talking about something further away we say that. So that's the same in Te Reo. He aha tēnei, this, he aha tēnā, that. So the answer to he aha tēnei is he something tēnā. What is this? That is a te reo. What is that? This is a motopaika. He motopaika tēnei. So let's have a practice like you might in a group. You'd ideally have 2 or 3 or 4 children with you. I've got my pretend friend here, Selena. So Selena's going to have this next to her, and I'm going to have this next to me. So Selena's going to say, Sharon, he aha tēnā. She's going to say, Sharon, what is that? And I'm going to say, he motopaika, or he motopaika tēnei. A motorbike, or this is a motorbike. And then I can say to Selena, he aha tēnā, what is that? And she could say, he hoiho, or she could say, he hoiho tēnei. And she would say tēnei because it's close to her, so she's saying this. Let's try with something else. We'll try with taraka for her and pahi for me. I'm going to say to Selena, Selena, he aha tēnā. And she's going to say, he taraka tēnei. This is a truck. And then she's going to say to me, Sharon, he aha tēnā. And I'm going to say, he pahi tēnei. And we can change it around again. So let's say she's got this paihikara bike. And let's say I've got the waka topa topa helicopter. Waka topa topa, named after the chopper at the top. Okay, so we've been asking what the other person's got, but now we're going to do with asking what we've got ourselves. So I would say, Selena, he aha tēnei. Selena, what's this? And she would say, he waka topa topa tēnā. That is a helicopter. And then she could say to me, Sharon, she's saying, he aha tēnei, what is this? And I would say, he paihikara tēnā. That is a bike. So you can hopefully see lots of opportunities when you might be able to use a game like that with children, using he aha tēnei, what is this? Ka kite.